Is it the end of Salesforce developers? Let's find out. Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on creating a trigger using ChatGPT for Salesforce. First of all, what is a Salesforce trigger? A trigger is a piece of code that is automatically executed by Salesforce in response to a specific event, such as the creation or update of a record. Triggers are used to perform custom actions, such as updating related records or sending an email notification. On the other hand, ChatGPT is a natural language processing model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on a massive data set of human-generated text and can generate human-like responses. In the context of Salesforce, it can be used to automatically generate Apex code for triggers, making it easier for developers to create custom functionalities. So how can we create a trigger using ChatGPT? Start by setting up a ChatGPT account. Next, define the trigger criteria and desired action. For example, you may want to create a trigger that fires when a new opportunity is created and updates the related account record with the opportunity amount. Use the interface to input these criteria and desired action in plain English. It will then generate the Apex code for the trigger based on your input. Then you can copy the generated code and paste it into the Salesforce Developer Console to deploy the trigger. Let's have a look at an example together. I'm going to ask it to write a trigger, and then I will ask it to write a test for us. Do you like it so far? Go ahead and comment below. So, is it really the end of Salesforce developers? It's important to note that ChatGPT is not intended to replace the role of a Salesforce developer. While it can help automate certain tasks and make it easier for developers to create custom functionality, it does not replace the need for human expertise and understanding of the Salesforce platform. Salesforce developers are still in high demand and will continue to be crucial for building and maintaining complex Salesforce implementations. In summary, it can be a useful tool for Salesforce developers looking to automate the creation of triggers. If you like this video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding!